welcome to my channel again. So today I got this from Squish-Dee-Lish. I thought I'd include the Toy R Us and quite surprised because before that I've never seen this brand before in Thailand, but now it's coming. So I get it like that. I'm gonna start to unwrap this. I guess that I want to get this, the eyeball, so we'll see what we're gonna get. So next one, we're gonna start with this series. Yeah, I expect to get this, the white unicorn, but I'm not sure what would I get. So okay, we're gonna unwrap it here together. You ready? Okay, I'm ready now. And I didn't see it yet. What? Oh, I got a plane. Oh, what's this? So we're gonna start with the third one. I still expect to get this because I can feel about the shape is round. Okay, we'll see. And what is it? What? Oh man, I think it's a ladybug. Yes, it's ladybug. Nice now. So okay, we come back and I still have Squish-Dee-Lish for 2 leaf. I unwrap it already in the restaurant while I'm waiting for the meal. And now, oh, see, who can help mommy unwrap it? Okay, so we have 2 left. We'll see what's inside. Wow! Wow, it's a pink one. Yes, as we guess. It's like a sketchy. Oh, it's cute. The color is a sparkling. It's a blink color. I think it's a spatial color. Okay, and what's about the last one? You're gonna help mommy. Okay, look. And wrap it now. And wow! Yes! That's cute! It's like a cat? A dog? I'm not sure. It's like a park door. I think it's a dog. Right, okay, I need to know what or how many patterns in this collection, but yeah, it's cute. Any cat or dog, but yeah, it's very cute.